Hello friends, I am Dietitian Forum Savla and today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic. 14th of November, we all celebrate as Children's Day and all mothers are worried about their child's nutrition. However confident a mother is, but when it comes to nutrition, they always are in double minds. Whether am I feeding the right thing to my child or is it enough? Is the quantity enough that the child is eating? Is the child actually getting all the nutrients or no? Are all the questions which I get from mothers when they come to me. So I thought, why not on a platform like this, expose all the myths, also talk about the foods that we can really incorporate in our child's diet in a fun way so that they can enjoy the meal, they can get all the nutrients, and we no longer are confused as to whether we are doing the right or the wrong. Right? So what I did, to really know a little bit more about children, I just interviewed few kids. And to my surprise, when I was interviewing them, I came to know they already know the concept of junk food and nutritious food. So that was so amazing for me that they already know that, that burger, pizza, pasta is a junk variety, and they know that, okay, khichdi or paratha or paneer is a healthy variety. So that was like so good for me. And if the child has that knowledge, we can definitely work wonders with it because we can actually be transparent with the child. You can see children screaming down, so please ignore the voices. But yes, now let us take a look at all the video clippings of the children and then we'll talk. Hi!
Hi.
So, what is your favorite food?
I like burger and pasta.
Okay, only burger and pasta?
Yeah.
Anything else you like?
No. In
Okay.
healthy food, I like mango.
Okay, so you know what is healthy, so you like mango. What else do you like? Do you like khichdi?
No.
And what about roti sabji?
Not very much, but yeah, I like.
So, but you have to eat, right? If your mom tells you, then you eat, no, every day. Okay. And what else? Anything else? Ice creams, pastries, cakes.
Ice creams I don't like. I just like cake.
You like cake. What is your favorite flavor?
Flavored chocolate.
You like chocolate cakes?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much for your input.
Welcome.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
So, what is your favorite food?
Burger, pizza,
And?
pasta,
Oh, big list. And what else?
mango.
So, you don't like Maggie?
Yeah.
Now, nobody told me Maggie. You like Maggie?
Yes.
And how many times you eat in a week Maggie?
5.
5 times in a week. Mama allows you to eat Maggie every day.
Yes.
Yes. And in healthy food, what do you like?
Healthy food mango.
Mango.
Orange.
And how many fruits you eat in a day?
Watermelon.
Wow. So how many fruits you eat in a day?
3.
3 fruits in a day. And you drink milk?
Yes.
Okay.
3
And
times.
3 times. My God. Then I must say you must become strong. And what else do you like, Mishka?
L.
No roti sabji, no khichdi.
I like roti sabji.
You like paratha? You like paratha?
No.
You don't like paratha?
Or
Huh.
I don't khichdi.
Achha, you don't like khichdi. Okay. Hi, Dhyan.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
So, what is your favorite food, Dhyan?
Mango.
Mango. Oh, wow. You are the first one who didn't tell pizza, pasta. You said mango. So, you love mangoes?
Mango and orange.
Mango and orange. Wow.
And apple.
And apple. So, you eat fruits every day, Dhyan? How many days, how many fruits in a day do you eat, Dhyan? 2, 3. You eat fruits?
No.
You don't eat fruits, but you like fruits.
I don't eat.
You don't eat. Oh my God. Then what do you eat every day, Dhyan? Roti sabji you eat?
Yes.
Parathas?
No.
No. Pizzas?
Yes.
And pizzas and burgers, you like them?
Pizza I like.
And burgers?
Next day I eat pizza.
Pizza. And pasta, you like pasta?
No.
pasta.
I like Maggie.
Oh, you like Maggie. And how many times Mama allows you to eat Maggie? You eat Maggie every day? No.
No.
Then Mama tells you how many days you can eat Maggie? One
I
day.
know.
No, Mama says no for Maggie. But you like Maggie.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much,
And
Dad.
I like ice cream and
Oh, I forgot that. So you like
ice
ice cream?
cream cake.
You like that?
Yeah.
So what is your favorite flavor, Dhyan, in ice cream?
Chocolate.
You like chocolate. And cake also you like chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Dhyan. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, kiddo. How are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Shlok Cheda.
Okay, Shlok, I want to know what are your favorite food? What do you like to eat?
I like to eat pasta, pizza, burger, paneer tikka and paneer sabji.
So, paneer is your favorite, is it?
Yeah.
And what else do you eat for dinner? Apart from this, pasta, pizza, burger, what else do you eat? Or what do you like rather?
I like
Anything healthy that you can remember of that you like?
khichdi.
Oh, you like khichdi? And how many times you eat khichdi? In a month, how many times? 2 times? 1 time?
4 times.
4 times. Oh, that's really nice. Okay. So, when you say you like paneer, you like only paneer tikka or you like anything else made out of paneer also?
I like anything else made out of paneer.
So, you like paneer all in all,
Yeah.
right? And you like your burger pizzas, pastas, and you like your khichdi,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Shlok, for your
Bye.
feedback. Bye. So, I'm sure you all enjoyed seeing as much as I enjoyed shooting these kids. And you saw how they were very prompt with this thing. Everybody likes Maggie and everybody likes the pizza, pasta, burgers. And when we talk about the healthy thing, one child did mention khichdi, and other children did say that, roti sabzi is something which they have to eat, but they don't like to eat. So now what we are trying to do in this series is that I am going to take each topic every week, right from the foods that we should introduce the children with, how we can introduce these foods with, what kind of recipes we can inculcate, what kind of behavioral pattern parents should change so that the children form the right habits, okay, and much more. So stay tuned for these episodes and bye-bye for now.